Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Riley 1K and I'm back with another POV video in my Honda Civic 2018 10th Gen. And I will be driving tomorrow. Not tomorrow, I mean today. As y'all guys know, I was doing in the last video, I was saying that I should get like a mount, not the mount grip, I don't know how is it called, like it's the thing on top of your head, like makes you just move and it makes you like move. It makes you move, yeah, this basically makes you move. But yeah, my guys, rainy POV. It was raining a second ago like crazy, but right now it's just like that. I'm just gonna do this, just turn, and yeah man, I'm gonna go somewhere, just POV for y'all. I hope I can, not I hope, I wish I could actually open my windows cause like of the sound to hear, but I just really can't, cause you know, I'm not really gonna push this car, but you know, we will drive, and then yeah, man, I'm in love with this car right now. I have for like, this car I have like for over a month right now, and I'm in love with this car. And it's actually feeling like way better to film off my head, like, you know, because I can really talk and do like something with my both hands. But yeah, feels really nice. I'ma just wait, I guess. Just yap for a little bit. But yeah, actually guys, I just cleaned my car like yesterday, and right now it's a little bit dirty again. I don't know how, not yesterday, I think after the, or maybe yesterday, yeah. So yeah, this is me guys, as you guys can see throughout the mirror, I think, right? Yes, you can, I think. Yeah, feels amazing. Yeah, I don't really know, I don't really did like search and like find some features like in this Honda, like I mean didn't like really played with the features. I think I should just ask ChatGPT or something, or do like, or watch a video about like cool features like in the Honda Civic 10th Gens, you know. But yeah, I think I can roll the window right now for y'all, just so y'all can hear better. Yeah, I'm just gonna roll like this so y'all can hear maybe the turbo. It's a 1 liter 10th Gen Honda Civic, but I've been racing like, I'm not like racing like crazy, you know guys, but I've been like just, you know, racing my friends. He has an Audi A4 2 liters, and it's like tuned a little bit to like 170 horsepower, right? Mine is 100. Mine I think is pushing like maybe more than 100, but I think it's newer. That's why like it has like way more power, you know, because it's like a newer car, I think. So I've been racing my cousin, and man, I just beated him in his Audi A4 2 liter, so it's just a little bit crazy. Like once you can use the pedals, you know, the shift pedals, right? And right now I'm driving in the econ mode, right? Econ mode, what it does, it just limits your acceleration. It just limits your acceleration, right? And yeah, once I turn it off, everything feels like a little bit lighter and like better, you know. So yeah, we will try that off, and maybe we'll try it from 0 to 100 or something. Yeah, just enjoy this POV. Not any more raining. Feels really great right now. I just love it. Such a good weather right now after rain. Oh my god, I love this weather so much. Look at the sky, amazing. I'm gonna just do from a 0 to 100 right now, right here. For real, guys. Turn off the econ mode, right? Just wait. To a 90. I'm just gonna do to a 90 because it's a speed limit right here. Don't really wanna push it. I just need a place to like get my thumbnail right now. I might just not really a nice place. You hear that turbo whistle? Wait. Wait, guys. Wait, just that kick in. Oh my god, I love that sound, man. I love that sound, genuinely. I should have just got maybe there, but I just don't know. Y'all hear it, right? Oh my god, such a nice sound. I should have just did there, right? I'm gonna just turn around right here. I'm gonna do that thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna just right here. I think it's a nice place actually, like the trains, I mean, not the rains. I'm just gonna show y'all the car. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna just end the POV right here, get my thumbnail right, and I will go home. I have work tomorrow, 5 AM. Then I have work to do. I'm still gonna upload this video, but yeah. Yeah, man, just like this. I'm gonna hop out of the car. Is it? Okay. I'm in my slippers right now. Blue slippers, old ass ones. But yeah, this is how it sits right now. Man, I just love my car. I genuinely love my car. Like, when I say it, I genuinely love the car. Man, this car is amazing. I'm gonna do a thumbnail right here, boys. I will try to upload as many like days as I can, right, in a week. But yeah, guys, thanks right now for following my channel throughout my journey. I really appreciate it. Like, and yeah, thanks a lot. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, man, if you want more POVs, or like I should go to the car meets and film. Make sure, like, let me know. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.